Good evening. Hello, YouTubers. Here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast free shipping. And also click the link to see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But I guarantee you're going to like this one. A lot of you drivers out there in the world, this one is for you guys. Andobil wireless car charger mount. Convenient, disassemble, and assembly. iPhone, Galaxy, and all those goodies. I'm going to take a look what it looks like out of the box. Quick charge. So it's a wireless car charger mount. Especially for you Uber drivers, Lyft drivers, DoorDash, Instacart, all that goodies. Even Amazon too. So if you know anyone that might want to get one of these, get one for their birthdays, get one for yourself. Here we go. That was easy. Oops. Bada boom. Ooh. There's some high-tech stuff right here for the car. Got the swivel. I'll show you how that works in a second. The USB right there. Expandable. See it right there, the hole? Ooh. Bam. Alright. We got some, well, this is for the cup holder thing. Here's the USB to charge your phone. I got my iPhone just in case. Hopefully that's the right one. And I'm going to have to grab my other iPhone. I'll think of something. Now let's take a look. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Watch this. Just lock it in so it won't move around. If you expand it, depends on how large your cup holders are. I'll show you guys mine in a second. We'll hop into the garage. See, look at that. And if you want, just twirl it back in. And it goes all the way back in. There we go. This is full twisty wherever you want to have adjusted when you drive. Now these things are cool. But you can, I think, pretty much. Oh yeah, because it's NFC. That's why. Okay. Just gotta make sure you got one of those adapters here. Span. Lock in. Oh, there that goes. Cradle it in. Boom. And then you take this little guy, put it around. I think it goes this way. So like that. You heard the lock. And you can have it a little loose, so you want to get the full 360 action. Watch movies on the side, like so. That's my password. You don't know it. So really cool. great hold on the phone. Yeah, these are really nice to have. There we go. Make it more even. Right in the middle. Holds it perfect. Getting some potholes, especially out here in Detroit. We got a lot of potholes. Like I said, your cup holder. We're going to hop in the car in a second. So that's really cool. And take this and make sure it is. I'm going to pop that in right there, see? And then an NFC reader will zap your phone. Bada boom. Got a good grip on it. See? Really easy to use. Get this thing all the way down. Don't need it for the car. Put this one right here. And our next stop, we're going to be in the ride. There we go. Just plug it into your cigarette adapter. And these things right here, like I said before, pop it in. Come on. There we go. I think I got them in the right way. There we go. Got that one in. And you just do it for the other couple spots. I think I got a pretty small one, cup holder. I don't think I need these. But just for the video, I'll just leave them on in case I can put them on right. Here we go. We got them extenders on. We got this right here. Looking good, looking good. Just gotta make sure this is good. Look at that. Oops. Yeah, I don't need these on. I'll just leave them off for now. 1, 3. Okay, so next stop to the garage. We got the manual, but pretty much we got it down pat. Really easy to use. And then we'll be right back. Alright guys, I hope you guys could see it. It's right there. It's kind of hard to do it at nighttime. But it holds it down pretty good. Plug it in. And boom. She's charging. So really nice. Like I say, you can watch it like this. Sideways, read the maps. There you go. Everything's good to go on this. So definitely check them out, guys. Be safe. Have a good weekend. See you soon. Alrighty, YouTubers. Here we go in the car. We got her plugged in. Got the blue light on there. Now it's flashing blue here. She's ready to charge. So you just put in your cup holder right down there. Push the button to expand. And you can pull the level down right there. See, hopefully you can get one shot. And then, boom. Look at that. Charging on cue. Hopefully you guys can see it. Tweak you guys down. There you go. See the arrow? It's charging. Close it, lock it in. And then you can see the blue dot right down there. Charging. Really cool stuff right there. Andobil. Look at that. Boom. Charging, charging. Alright, check them out. Be safe, YouTubers. Have a good night, and see you soon.